Hi guys, so I'm doing another sponsorship video and this is from France. So we're just going to open up and unbox and see what's inside. So if you like my other videos like this, check out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to give this video a comment and let me know what you think. So let's go ahead with the video, and I've put all the descriptions down below of this video, the sponsorship and all the information. So as you open it up, this is what you should have, and they've sent two different kinds. They've sent a unicorn and they've sent a heart. And first we're going to do the heart, and then we're going to do unicorn in another video. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure you subscribe to check out my other videos. And there's a card as well, and like I said, I will put everything down below in the description, and this is where it's from. But yeah, make sure you check the description, check it out, check it out. So this is the heart that we're going to do, and the next one for another video we're going to do the unicorn. And trust me, you do not want to miss the unicorn because it's massive. So we're just going to open it up, and it comes with this small cute double-sided sticky tape. And I just love how like it's all pre-cut, like it's not time wasting. And this is just a tester they've put in there for you as well, and obviously the tester is how to make a house. So I'm not going to do that because obviously I know how to do, because I've made a lot of videos on these. And so yeah, so let's put this aside, and we're just going to open these up. And as you can see, there's these letters 3A, and this just goes with like the next part, and you just know what to do basically as you do the next things. And obviously it's got all the instructions and stuff on the piece of paper of the heart, and it's card paper, so it'll last much longer.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.
And like I said, I've already done this, but it just says detach pre-cut pieces gently. Your instruction manual is visible and downloadable at this address, and there's the address. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken all the pre-cuts out, and the next thing you're going to do, they've all been scored, so we're just going to simply fold it like that, all of the lines, and it is time saving like a lot, because if it's not scored, basically you have to get a ruler, a cutter, and do all of these one by one. And I can literally do this in 30 seconds. Obviously if it wasn't scored, it would have taken 2 minutes, and there's a lot of pieces, and 2 minutes for a lot of pieces is a lot.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah,
guys, so this is the finishing touch. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out the links down below, and don't forget this is sponsorship, so go and check out who my sponsor was. They have other templates, and don't forget to check out the video of the unicorn. It's going to be up soon. So this is what the back looks like. I've just dropped some paint on top, and this is the front. Like I said, it's a 3D heart. You can put it on your wall, you can give it to someone. It's a gift, Valentine's Day, birthday, anything. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you thought.
I'm coming home.